Hello students, active math, read app, book, 5th class, mathematics, term 1, student book, SB-3, factors and multiples, practice question number 1. Circle the multiples of the numbers given below. One has been done for you. First one is 5. Number 5 multiples are 15, 30, 10, 45, 25. 11 multiples are 33, 66, 22, 99, 121. C. 10. Number 10 multiples are 30, 60, 20, 130, 180. These numbers are divisible by 10. And these are also multiples of 10. Number D. 13, 26, 78, 104, 91, 130. 1.2. Find the missing factors of the given numbers and write them in the blanks below. A. 10. The factors are 1, 2, 5 and 10. B. 36. The factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. C. 75. The factors are 1, 3, 5, 15, 25 and 75. 1.3 exercise, fill in the blanks. A. 3 is a factor of 21. When 21 is divided by 3, the remainder is 0. B. The greatest factor of 100 is 100. C. Every number is a multiple of 1 and itself. D. The smallest multiple of 14 is 14. 1.4. Use the diagrams below to find the common factors of the given sets of numbers. Point 4. Use the diagrams below to find the common factors of the given sets of numbers. A. 16 and 32. B. 20 and 50. Factors of 16. Common factors. Factors of 32. 1.5. Write 4 different factors of 18 and that add up to 18. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9. 1.6. Practice question number 2. 2.1. Shade the boxes that are divisible by the given numbers. A. Divisible by 2, 46, 264, 1378, 4030, 7415. B. Divisible by 3, 600. C. Divisible by 5, 875. Divisible by 10, 400. And multiples. 1.4. Use the diagrams below to find the common factors of the given sets of numbers. A. 16 and 32. Common factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Common factors of 32 1, 2, 4, 6, 16, 32. We can find this type also, this method also. The factors 3 of 32, 2 into 16, for 16 2 into 8, for 8 2 into 4, for 4 2 into 2, for 2 2 into 1. The factors of 16 are no factors. Common factors 2, 1, 4, 8, 16. The factors of 32 are 32, like this. 20 and 50. Factor 3 of 20. Or these are the methods to find the factors of 20. 1, 5, 10, 20, 2, 4. Factors of 50. 2, 10, 5, 25. Factors are 1, 5, 10, 2. Which number is common in both sides? Those are the common factors. Common factors of 20 are 24. Common factors are 1, 5, 2. Common factors of 50 are 25, 50. 1.5 factor 3 of 12, 18. These are the two methods to find the common factors of a number. Here two methods are there. 18, for 18 we can divide by 3, 3 6 multiply by 3, 3 6 18. For 6, 3 2 6. For 2, 2 1 2. The factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 9, 6, 4, 18. When we add the factors 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 9, we can get 18. 1.6 common factors of 12 and 9. Multiples of 9 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Multiples of 12 are 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120. Factors of 9 are 3, 6, 9, 15, 18, 21. Common factors are 12, 24, 36. Factors of 12, 48, 60, 72, 84, etc. B. 15 and 20. Multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, etc. Multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200. Multiples of 15, 15, 30, 45. Common multiples are 60, 120. Multiples of 20, 20, 40, 80. Practice question number 2. A divisible by 2. 46, 264, 1378, 4030. Because their last numbers are 6, 4, 8, 0. Last number 6, 4, 8, 0 are even numbers. These are divisible by 2. B divisible by 3, 600, 9261. 165. Add the numbers if sum divided by 3, the whole number also divisible by 3. 356. 3 plus 5 plus 6, 14. 14 divided by 3, 4.6, not divisible by 3. So 356 is not divisible by 3. 600. 6 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 6. 6 by 3 is equal to 2, divisible by 3. So 600 is divisible by 3. 9261. 9 plus 2 plus 6 plus 1 is equal to 18. 18 by 3. 6 divisible by 3. 631 is equal to 6 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. 10 by 3 is equal to 3.3, not divisible by 3. 165. 1 plus 6 plus 5 is equal to 12. 12 by 3, 6, divisible by 3. Divisible by 5. 875, 4280, 64,795. Because these last numbers are 0 and 5. Divisible by 10. 439,000, because last numbers are 0.